will discuss the 8th question. So in this question, two charges are given, QA and QB, and the distance between these two charges is 20 centimeter. So in A part, what we have to do, हमें find करना है electric field at point O. That at the midpoint we have to find the electric field. So first of all, we will convert the charges from microcoulomb to coulomb by multiplying with 10 raised to power minus 6. And our distance is 20 centimeter. SI unit meter में convert करेंगे तो it will be 0.2 meter. So O point जो है that is at the same distance from both the charges. So that means OA is equals to OB. That means ये जो डिस्टेंस है कितना होगा, टोटल डिस्टेंस r है तो दिस मच डिस्टेंस इज r बाय 2. सो r बाय 2, r is 0.2 divided by 2, it will be 0.1 meter. Now we will find the electric field at point O due to the QA. Then we will find for QB. So electric field का formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA upon distance का square. So here we will consider this distance for QA charge, that is OA square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught की value 9 into 10 raised to power 9. We will put the value of QA and OA. Now we will solve it. So 9 into 3 कितना हो गया 27 and 10 raised to power minus 6 and 10 raised to power 9. That will be 10 raised to power 3. And 0.1 को we can write 1 by 10. 1 by 10 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 100 आ जाएगा. That means 10 की power 2. It will be in the numerator. Powers add up हो जाएंगी. So 27 into 10 raised to power 5. Now we will multiply it and divide with 10. Then we have 2.7 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton per coulomb. This now we will find due to B charge. So similarly here we will write QB and here we will write OB. Rest will be same. Similarly the value of charge is also same because इसमें हम magnitude consider करेंगे तो negative sign will not be there. So answer will be same. We will find total electric field. So we will add these two values EA plus EB. So it will be 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton per coulomb. So now in B part we have a negative test charge जिसकी value हमें given है 1.5. नेगेटिव टेस्ट चार्ज है जिसकी वैल्यू है 1.5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 9 कूलम. दिस चार्ज इज गिवन एंड नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय दिस टेस्ट चार्ज. फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्स इज Q इंटू E. सो नाउ वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज. Q की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 1.5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 9 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ E अभी हमने जो कैलकुलेट करी 5.4 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 6. अब 1.5 और 5.4 दोनों को अगर हम फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे तो नीचे 100 आ जाएगा. 10 की पावर माइनस 9 और 6 को सॉल्व करेंगे तो वी हैव 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 3 एंड नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. 5 के टेबल पे कट करेंगे तो 5 3 द 15 एंड 25 द 100. अब हम इसको 2 के टेबल पे कट करेंगे 27 to the 54 and 10 to the 20. So we have 3 into 27 divide by 10 और along with that multiply में 10 की पावर माइनस 3 है. 27 3 का कितना होगा that will be 81. 81 divide by 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So नीचे 10 है तो it will be 8.1 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton. For more such videos, subscribe to Curious Learning.